How do you maintain dairy? Animals that produce milk need to be healthy. So, an effective healthcare program should be in place. Milk should be harvested and stored under hygienic conditions. Equipment used to harvest and store milk should be suitable and well maintained. What are dairy maintenance compounds? Detergents, sanitizers, and other compounds used to clean or maintain dairy processing facilities and equipment are known as dairy maintenance compounds or DMCs. There are different requirements for DMCs depending on where they're used. Check this channel regularly for updates on agricultural products. God bless you.